legs.
Mom, put your leg over here. Just lift and then scooch.
But it's this carpet.
Genuinely tickled.
If I'm not in here this time. Okay.
You got your tea? You got your readers? Hey guys, it's Vaughn and I'm here with another video. Today we're talking about Home Chef. Well, first of all, before I even get into the video, this is my mom. She joined me today.
Hi.
I wanted her to join me for this video, you guys, because we're gonna be talking about Home Chef. And my mom genuinely has questions about Home Chef as far as the program, how it works, you know, what's the commitment, what is this thing? Because she's come over to my house quite a bit and have gotten deliciously prepared meals and she's like, this is great, but what is this? Food showing up in a box. Did you order this from Whole Foods? Did you get this from, where'd you get this food? A light bulb went off. I was like, if my mom has these types of questions, you guys probably do too. So why don't me and my mom get on camera and talk about what Home Chef really is? It's a good idea, right?
It's an awesome idea. Yeah, because I really like to know.
Right, so this is what we're gonna do today. I just got my delivery for the week yesterday and I don't always eat all the meals at once. So I brought one of the meals over to my mom's house tonight. Here it is, you guys. This is the mushroom lasagna. So what happens is when you order from Home Chef, when you sign up, you are signing up for a weekly meal kit delivery service. So it's with the idea that you're gonna get meals sent to your house every week, but you don't have to get it every week if you don't want to. You can skip weeks and et cetera, et cetera. You have complete control. You're like the commander-in-chief of your meal kit delivery. And so on your computer, you can say yes or no or whatever. You control the schedule. So when you sign up, you create a profile, a dietary profile. So you get to tell the computer system what you want to eat, what you don't want to eat. So I usually say, you know, no red meat, you know, no pork, whatever, so that my selections that pop up will be things that are vegan, vegetarian, and clean, low-fat meat items. So I'm considering myself, my daughter, and my husband when I choose my dietary profile. Once you set up your dietary profile, you can start picking the meals that you want for the current week. And so they all come just like this, Ma. So everything you need to cook the meal is in this bag, in the exact portions that you need for that meal. So if the recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic, you're only gonna get 2 cloves of garlic.
So when you order this, two servings is the minimum?
Right.
Okay.
And then you order it in multiples of 2. So 2, 4, whatever, as far as the servings. And all of the servings are less than 10 bucks each. So it's a very affordable program.
I really like this and I like to know more about it.
I've been wanting to get my mom involved because she likes to cook, but she's been cooking the same stuff every night.
Yeah, I'm used to cooking the same stuff every night and I get bored.
She's in a silly mood.
Yeah, but
it's hard to think of new stuff to cook.
It is, and especially when you're used to a certain type of food. I need help in selecting meals that's more health conscious.
Right. So I'm gonna hook my mom up, actually, you guys. In my delivery that came this week, I got like a little gift set thing that was included, honey, and it has 2 gift cards for Home Chef.
Oh.
So it's 2 of them here. So I'm gonna give my mom one so she can order her next meal.
Yay.
And I'm gonna give you, all of you guys, one too. All you gotta do is use my discount code right here. And when you sign up as a new Home Chef subscriber, you will get $30 off your order, which is like getting free food, you guys, and that is actually a lot of free food. But anyway, so back to the program, right? So where were we? Oh, so when the box arrives at your door, she saw it at my house yesterday when she was over. It's a small box that just gets delivered to your door and you do not have to be home to get it. It's insulated. It's got a pack of ice in it and everything is packaged perfectly, so nothing's gonna spoil. So even if you don't get home until the next day, your package is going to be fresh. Now, depending on where you live, it might not be there.
I was about to say
a whole day later, but it will at least be fresh, you know that.
Right. It's a really good concept. And,
yeah, easy. She's not looking forward to the prep.
Yeah, the prepping part.
Let's pull out the recipe card and talk about the prep part, because I think a lot of people are intimidated by the prepping of these home meal delivery kits. And I just don't think it's as scary as it sounds or looks. When you see people doing their, you know, kit prep with their food and stuff, it looks like, oh dang, they had to cut off all that stuff. But in the midst of doing it, it's not that rough. So like, for example, this meal that we're cooking tonight, it lets you know what to prepare yourself for. So it tells you how much time you're gonna need to cook the whole thing. It tells you how many days the packet of ingredients is going to last in your refrigerator, because you need to know that. So it tells you, you know, like this thing will last for 7 days. It also lets you know the difficulty level of the particular dish. So this difficulty level is considered intermediate. And I think with that, they're just trying to consider, you know, how you have to prepare the ingredients, how you have to dice everything or mince it or what have you.
The level of culinary skills.
The different layers involved, right. And then let you know whether or not it's spicy and blah, blah, blah. But the best part is on the other side where it actually breaks down the recipe for you. So it has pictures. I mean, it even tells you what you're gonna need that's not in this kit. So like what pots and pans, what spices, what oils. And then before you cook, there's a section labeled before you cook, and it tells you what you need to be doing in the meantime to hurry things along. So if like if you need to use the oven, it's gonna tell you, hey, preheat the oven. Like while you're looking at the recipe card, go preheat that oven. So it'll be ready when you're ready to put stuff in there. So in this case, it was like, okay, boil 8 cups of water, because you know you're gonna be cooking the lasagna pasta, and then it's telling you to rinse the product and pat dry. So I mean, it sets you up. So even if you don't know anything about culinary, you have no skills whatsoever, it's gonna hold your hand.
And at the same time, well, I probably wouldn't go out and buy all of these ingredients. That's the good thing about this. Like, you have to have, say you wanted to cook something like this, you would have to go and get all of these things, oregano, all these things.
Right, you might not even use it again.
And you may not use it again.
You might not even know how to use it again.
Do you know how much rosemary I have disposed of after I did your little chicken?
Really?
Yeah.
She's talking about this recipe that I taught her how to do, you guys. It's basically a rosemary chicken, but it's like a cream sauce, right? That's the one I taught you. She loves it, and so I made it for her and Anthony one night, and she tried to go make it herself, and you had to throw how much rosemary away?
The rest of it. The rest of it.
All of it.
Right. But this makes it, it's proportioned, and it's, from what I've had so far, it's been really good, everything. Yeah. It's been good.
And it's chef created recipe, so this is not just like some thrown together BS. Like, this is, chefs are behind the scenes creating this stuff.
And it's seasoned. It's not like, you know, sometimes you eat things and then you have to add salt. You don't have to add anything. You just go right, you know. It's good, that's all I'm saying.
But keep it real though.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's so helpful. I always say, like, home chef is like my wife hack. You know what I'm saying?
You what?
Ready to eat?
Yeah.
All right, let's eat.
Let's do it.
You guys, so first of all, that only took like 25 minutes. That was the quickest lasagna I've ever had to cook. It was a stovetop lasagna recipe. I didn't realize that until I started cooking. I thought it was gonna go in the oven, but it was all stovetop. It was super easy. I just threw it together right quick, and now Mom is about to eat. I already ate, y'all, so I'm not hungry, but Mom is gonna taste it. So I made her a little bit here.
They see me fall into that chair.
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I just fell into the chair. Okay, so I would like some lemon water. I love lasagna.
You're always getting heartburn, Mom.
It's gonna be so good, guys. Yep, perfect.
Anyway, she seems to be loving it. I'm gonna give Ann some when she wakes up. She's asleep right now. But yay, that's it, you guys. I just wanted to share another home chef video with you guys, because as I mentioned, I partner with a brand, and I just want to be able to bring you guys fresh new content around these meal kits. I really love them. I'm a subscriber in real life. I really love the kits. Everything's always really delicious.
Cheesy.
Obviously. So anyway, thanks for joining me today, guys. Hanging out with me and Mom over here cooking and whatnot. Definitely don't forget to click the link in my description box and use my code right there. Vaughn30, get you 30 bucks off your first sign up, girl. And I'll see you guys in my next one.
Bye.